Hey y'all, it's Meso. Welcome to my kitchen today. I want you to come on in. I've been expecting you. Guess what I'm gonna do for you? Gonna cook you something good. And here it is, one of my legendary sweet potato pies with just a little bit of a twist. You see here I have four medium to large sweet potatoes, and I'm just gonna get some vegetable oil on them and get them down in this cast iron pan, and I'll put them in the oven. There I'm gonna let them bake about 45 minutes. Get them out. You can put a fork in them to tell if they're tender, if they're done. I am just going to go ahead and peel them. I've let them cool a little bit so they're not so hot. And I'm going to go on and peel them. You see here where that sugar has caramelized on some parts of the potatoes. Delicious, delicious. I'm not going to use all four. I'm just going to use 3 of them. And I'm going to go ahead and get them into the mixer and start to beat them up. I'm putting in 3 tablespoons of melted butter. And I'm just going to keep on whipping. I am going to whip them all through this entire process. So I'm putting in 2 large eggs. That was 1. And that's the second egg. If your eggs are not large, if they're really small, you could put in 3. It's not going to hurt a thing. I'm putting in 3 tablespoons of flour and now 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. And I'm just going to whisk this really good. Make sure I got no lumps in it. Look how smooth and silky that looks. So I'm going to get that right down into my sweet potato mixture. Okay, just going to whip that up. I'm coming back with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I'm putting in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. I'm also going to put in 1 tablespoon of lemon extract. Lemon flavoring is the same thing. I am also going to put in some ground allspice. I'm going to put in about 1 teaspoon or less. I'm going to put in just a pinch of salt. I'm using Himalayan pink salt, but you can use any kind of salt that you want, any kind that you have. Make sure you don't put more than a pinch though. So now I'm putting in my sugar. I'm putting 1.5 cups of sugar in this. Not going to make it terribly sweet if you want yours sweeter. All you have to do is just maybe bump it up to 2 cups if you want yours that sweet. I'm using also a tablespoon of vanilla syrup. Now this is just syrup that you put into a shake or a drink mix or just anything, just vanilla syrup. I want you to look at these strings on these beaters. Don't put that back in your mixture. Take it and rinse it off. Don't put it back in your mixture. You don't want that to make your pie nasty. All right, so here I'm putting the potatoes into a store-bought crust. Don't bake your crust first. You don't have to, bake it blind or anything. Put it in the oven. Put it on 350, and you're going to keep it in here, bake it approximately 45 minutes until it gets firm. I'm now putting on some marshmallows. Now here's the little twist. You all know my potato pies are legendary, but from time to time I'll do a little something different. So I'm going to take one of these pies and I'm going to put marshmallows on it, and the other I'm going to put chopped pecans. Now I don't have video for this, but I also drizzled 3 tablespoons of honey over the pecans on the sweet potato pecan pie. Okay. These are out the oven now. They were in for about 10 minutes, and look at that. 10 minutes in my oven. It might be a little less on your oven, depends on how hot your oven runs. Oh, let's get a piece of this. And you want it to cool first so that it will come out relatively firm. It'll taste the same, but you want it to get a little firm. So now we're going to taste this. I didn't put a whole lot of marshmallows on mine, but you can pack yours up. You can stack it up. You can make it like a little dome up in the center and put as much marshmallows as you like. I just want this taste of marshmallow. Look at that, y'all. That sweet potato pie is excellent. I can guarantee it. Oh, I've made them so much. I got another sweet potato pie on my channel. I'm going to link it to this. You'll see it right up in the top of the video, but I want you to see that one. That's just a regular sweet potato pie. This is sweet potato pie with a twist. But there are thousands and thousands of people that can tell you that my sweet potato pies are legendary. Try this. Make one of them. You can't go wrong. It's the easiest and the best thing you could ever do. Oh, honey, they won't believe that you made this. And when they do, they'll be asking you to bring it to every gathering. Oh, good, good, good. Sticky, Sweet, mildly sweet, and delicious. And those hints of lemon coming right through. Really good. Oh yeah. Ooh, this is so good. But let's try that pecan pie. Now remember to drizzle your honey over your pecan pie right before you put it in the oven. 3 tablespoons. So I've cut this. You see how nice it came out of the pan? The pan is clean. And we're going to go ahead and begin to taste it. Oh, I already know that it's good. I love pecans on my sweet potato pie. Look at that. Moist, delicious, firm. I taste the butter. I can taste the honey. Just delicious. As I said, don't pre-bake your crust as you have to do on some pies. Don't do that on this one. I'm going to give this, two thumbs up. Yeah, 2 thumbs, not 1 thumb. These are delicious, honey. Bake them and take them somewhere. And just stand back and watch what all they say to you about how good it is. Hey guys, I want to ask you, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that red subscribe button and then hit the notification bell. I want you to like my videos by giving me a big old thumbs up. Share my videos wherever you're active on social media. I want you to leave me some comments because I love hearing what's on your mind. I want to thank you for watching. Also, guys, I appreciate you coming by. I know that you came by to check on me to see what I was doing, and you knew I would be throwing down. Now, I hope that I did not disappoint. Thank you so much for coming by. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I want you to also check me out on the other platforms. I am on TikTok. I am on Instagram. I am on Facebook. All of those platforms. And I'm still Meso making it over there on those platforms. Check me out over there. Leave me a comment and let me know that you're supporting me and that you're here for me. I appreciate you so much. You all are the greatest. And I thank you for watching. Thank you for coming by. Okay? All right, so I want to tell you guys to be good, be safe, and come back and see me next time. Until then, bye-bye.